Are your notes scattered across a dozen apps, Google Docs, Notion, random sticky notes, and somehow when you need something, it's never there? What if your notes could actually think with you, tagging, connecting, and even generating follow-ups automatically? That's what Tana promises. Tana isn't your typical notes app. It's an AI-powered workspace built on a knowledge graph. Instead of just typing text into pages, you could create interconnected notes that can carry metadata, tags, and relationships. The magic comes from super tags. They turn ordinary notes into structured items like tasks, projects, meetings, or ideas, complete with fields and properties. On top of that, Tana layers in AI, transcribing voice memos, suggesting tasks, auto-filing details, and surfacing connections you didn't even think of. In short, it's like Notion and Rome had a child but raised it on AI. So before we dive into the features, let's see what users are saying. On Product Hunt, Tana holds a stellar 4.9 out of 5 rating, with reviewers praising its flexibility and especially the way super tags make notes feel alive. A Medium reviewer called it the note-taking app that actually gets AI right. Users love the structured data approach and how the graph connects ideas automatically, but there's also some critique. New users mention a steep learning curve, especially if you've only used Linear Notes app. Others want stronger mobile support and more integration with tools like Google Calendar and task managers. So now let's discuss the core features one by one. So one of Tana's most unique features is the Daily Notes page. Every day you get a fresh workspace, perfect for jotting down quick thoughts, meetings, or tasks without worrying about where to put them. What makes it powerful are the smart tags. Instead of manually sorting, you can instantly tag an item as a task, meeting, idea, weekly reflection, or even brainstorm. These tags aren't just labels, they connect your note into larger knowledge graph, meaning you can pull up all tasks due this week or all brainstorm ideas linked to a project. On top of that, Tana includes live transcription, so during a call or lecture, you can hit record and Tana will capture the conversation, tag action items, and make them searchable later. This makes Daily Notes not just a scratch pad, but a structured hub that evolves into your personal knowledge base. So that was the live transcription and Daily Notes feature. Now let's talk about the super tags. So one of Tana's most powerful features is super tags. Instead of just simple labels, super tags turn your notes into structured dynamic databases. With them, you don't just tag something as task or meeting, you can also attach properties, fields, and contexts like due dates, people, priorities, or custom templates. You can create super tags for anything: tasks, meetings, brainstorm, reflections, memos, projects, or even people. Once applied, every tagged item automatically carries its structure, making your notes consistent, searchable, and ready for filtering. So why it matters is that it keeps all your notes consistent across different contexts, makes your information more powerful by attaching structured fields, lets you filter, search, and visualize tasks, meetings, or ideas at scale. So it's not just a tag, it's a mini template that supercharges your workflow. Now let's talk about the AI chat feature. So Tana takes productivity one step further with its built-in AI chat. Instead of jumping between your notes and external tools, you can have real conversations with your own knowledge base. So here's how it works. Simply mention a note such as any meeting note, project, or idea and start chatting with it. Ask questions like summarize this meeting or draft next steps from these notes. Use ready-made templates such as one-on-one meeting prep or remote team building ideas, and let the AI generate structured outputs instantly. This isn't just basic question and answers. The AI understands your context, connects the dots across your notes, and helps you brainstorm, draft, or clarify ideas right where you work. So those were some of the core features. Now let's discuss who benefits the most out of this tool. So this tool is perfect for knowledge workers who juggle projects, research, and ideas, creators who need structured notes for content but also quick capture, teams who want a shared graph instead of siloed docs. So since no tool is perfect, as powerful as Tana is, there is room to improve. So if we have smoother onboarding, such as better tutorials to flatten the learning curve, the tool could be even better. Mobile parity, the app is improving, but desktop is still more powerful, more integrations, calendars, email, external databases, open API for custom automations and workflows, team collaboration, polish, permissions, rules, and scaling for larger organizations. And yes, Tana offers an affiliate program. You can sign up, share it, and earn by recommending it to others. And Tana also provides an API. This means you can integrate it with other tools, automate workflows, and extend what Tana can do far beyond just notes taking. So if you're serious about managing complex projects, building a personal knowledge base, or want your notes to think with you, Tana is absolutely worth trying. Stick with it past the first week, and it'll likely replace 3 or 4 other apps you're using. So if you want to try this tool out, I have included the link in the description below. And with that, that's the end of today's review. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews. I'll see you in the next video.